What's up, rich people? Today I'm going to be using Hop Exchange to transfer ETH from the Ethereum mainnet on layer 1 to Arbitrum, which is a layer 2 scaling solution built with optimistic rollup technology. It's really great because it does this pretty quickly within a few minutes. And actually, if you're going to be using a native optimistic rollup bridge, going from Arbitrum or Optimism back to mainnet, it takes about a week to finalize. So it's pretty convenient and it's pretty fast. It'll go back and forth within a few minutes. And it's also great because you're able to transfer between different scaling solutions. So Hop actually works with Optimism, Arbitrum, Polygon, and xdai, and you're able to transfer between those without ever touching mainnet, without paying those huge fees, which is really great. So let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, we're going to use Hop. I'm going to be sending ETH. So you can use all these different networks. I'm going to be going from mainnet, and I'm going to be going to Arbitrum. Now what you can do, like I said, you can go from Polygon, xdai, or Optimism to Arbitrum as well, which is pretty convenient. I'm going to send 0.05 ETH. And I even get a little bit of a bonus on the Arbitrum side because the liquidity pools are probably a little bit imbalanced, which is just a nice little bonus. Okay, so we're going to hit send. So I've shown this in another video, which I'm going to link to over here. But you should go to the edit, go to the advanced options, make sure that you're paying a nice priority fee, make sure that your max fee is in line with the gas. And so I'm going to go with, this should be fine. So we're going to save that. The fees going there is not expensive. It's only 45 bucks. Generally, it's not expensive. We're going to confirm. So this is going to take a few minutes, and we'll get back to this when it confirms. Okay. Okay guys, so it's been about 6-7 minutes and it looks like we're good to go. You can close this, and so right now I'm on the Arbitrum network. If you don't know how to do this, it's really the best way to do it is to go to sushi.com because they're linked up to everything. You could enter their app. So if you're just starting out, you may not have Arbitrum in your networks already. You may just have Ethereum there. So a good way to add it is you just click on this right here, and you click on Arbitrum. Okay, now I already have it, but we can still add it anyway. It's just an asks me to switch. It'll ask you if you want to add the network, and you click yes, and it'll take you right to the Arbitrum network. Okay, that's just a really quick and easy, simple way to do that. Okay. So we don't need this anymore. As you can see, I do have my 0.05 ETH on Arbitrum now. So there is a chance that Hop Exchange will issue a token airdrop to its users. I'm not sure how they're going to decide who gets that token airdrop. It could be people who send assets across different protocols, different layer 2 solutions. It could be people who provide liquidity in their pool. You could try that as well. I don't know. And no promises on whether they will or when they will or how they will in any way. So that's going to be up to you. This is all new. Hop Exchange is new. Arbitrum is new. Polygon, everything is new. Everything is risky. Don't use funds that you aren't willing to completely lose. Okay, this is all risky. You may lose all of your principal, all of your investment. Just keep that in mind and don't go crazy. Okay. So with all that said, I hope you learned something. Hope you take the wealth, take all the money, and enjoy.